A little off on that left.
Am I?
Pressure. Drop. Perfect. Is that okay?
Yep.
All right. So that hip was high. We're left lateral bending, so I've got to push from the right to the left to kind of straighten out here. Right there. A little pressure here. You're going to feel a crunch here. There we go. Just a little one right there. There we go. Are you and Maya out shopping too much or what? No?
No.
Really?
This happened when I was moving.
Yeah. That mid back is super tight on your today.
Yes.
There might be a new bed too that you've been sleeping in.
Yes, I think so too.
And that happens when we go on vacation. Sleep those unfamiliar beds. Or the extra bed that never gets changed and it's old and has a hole in it.
I'm doing pretty good.
It gets turned.
Now did you come here just for Maya's birthday?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't put two and two together until I saw on Facebook it was her birthday, and I always wish I had gone there. Oh, that's probably why Trish is here.
Yep.
It's for Maya. Look at you. Such a friend. Oh. Well, you've known them for quite a while, yeah?
Yes, and she was so upset when I was moving
Yeah.
that I had to promise her. So throughout my life, I would come back and visit her.
Okay, let's put you on your right side again. Here. It is. Ooh. Much better this time. Good.
Yes.
I knew it was going to take a second one.
I knew it would.
You were tight. You were
Yeah.
tight.
It
But
might take a third one for Monday.
stay there.
What do you
I want
think?
to check your neck.
Oh, okay. What do you think? Monday, another one?
It's up to you. Let me know how it feels. You can do a walk-in if you need to.
Okay. Okay.
That was a good adjustment. So it just depends. I'm hoping it'll hold, but if it needs to, Trish, just come in.
Okay. Beautiful.
Bring your legs one more time and make sure everything is straight. Perfect. Look at that. Straight as an arrow.
Good.
Don't mess up.
I won't. I won't mess up your work.
Now, did you get a chance to see Danny now?
No, Carol's calling Melissa.
That would be great if you could swing by. I know she's
I
home
know.
this
I would
morning.
love to see her too.
There, she's on your way back to Maya's.